guys, so today we install Fortigate. So all you just need to have online minimum 2 port gigabit or simple 100-bit LAN card. But right now I have broadband and 2 port gigabit LAN card. This is just you can 1,000 rupees or 1,000 rupees LAN card. I just bought for my lab environment. So we will just using in a older PC. I will just install in my desktop PC. This is not a server. So I will just install in my desktop PC. So and we will install it on a VMware. As you already know about the VMware, VMware is a virtualization tool. We can do a lot of virtualization. And so as you already know, the Fortigate Firewall is pretty expensive. So there are different version and the features, but we can test on a VMware. So but and the license is obvious, but we can only test and install how we can install and configure. So let's go. So we need to put it and configure it on my machine. So hello guys, so now we are on a screen. So let me just show you how to just configure the FortiGate firewall on a Hyper-V or a VMware. So I'm going to configure it on a Hyper-V Windows Server. As you can see right now, I have Windows Server 2012. So let me just open the Hyper-V. So this is my Hyper-V, and you can see the FortiGate firmware is already running. So no worry about that. I'll just pause it and make it again for you. So let me just stop it and create this another virtual machine. So let me just delete this and create it another one for you. So we need to just import virtual machine and go to the browser, and we will go in our where we just put the VMware or Fortigate. So I just copied the whole with Fortigate setup in this folder. So it contains snapshot, hard disk, and virtual machine. So you just need to select, and then it automatically loads the Fortigate 64 Hyper-V. So copy the virtual machine unique ID. So then you need to select the where you wanna install on. Right now I'm going to my hard Windows drive. So now it's importing, but actually right now it's creating error because virtual machine is already accessed. So we just change the name of the virtual machine. So now it's created the machine. So now we just need to open start. So as you can see, it's running right now. So we need to do some configuration, or right now it's booting up. take some time to creating the partition and installation setup. So after that it asks for the IP configuration, and meanwhile it is installing. So meanwhile I just pause the video. So right now it's creating, you can see it's creating and configuring, doing some configurations. Okay, so I'll pause the video and then so when it's done, I'll back. Okay. So here it is. So it's ready right now. So all we just need to log in. So first we need to remember the default login ID for the FortiGate. The default login ID is admin and blank password is the default login, but we can change it, but right now we are not going to change it. So we will just need to set up the IP for the LAN to access it on a web page, and then we will further configuration or DNS or something like that, we will do it on a web page. But on basic first step you need to configure through command line. So let's move on. So here is some common commands like that. Set up set interface command. So so these are the commands, so we will use it. So configure system interface, we will use configure configure config config system system interface system interface. So edit port 1. So set the IP, set space IP, space space the IP you wanna enter according to your network. So right now I'm entering my IP. So 255.5.5 is a mask for that. So now we need to append, give the allow access allow access to HTTP space HTTPS telnet telnet ping all these access on your port now at end. So all other configuration, there are different DNS or something like that, we will do it on web page. So let's move on a web page. So how it look like, so how we can access to a web page. So let's move on our web browser. So put the IP that we entered over there, 192.168.1.90. So just see how it's, we just access through HTTPS. I think we need to restart the machine for that. So okay, let's see. After rebooting the machine for that, Fortigate is now restarting. So we need to wait for a while. Now it's logging. So we need to access. Now it's set up. Now it's also we need to again reboot and set up some by default something configuration. It's says you need to execute the disk that we selected in the VM. So we will just need to enter this command execute disk space scan 17. It's asking yes. Now it's rebooting. So it's rebooting now. It's scanning and unmounting the drive for that VM. After that, it will ready for you. Finish. So the configuration is, so I think the scanning is finished right now. So it's now again it will ask for restart, I think. So then yeah, it's asking for the restart and it's going to restart. So after restart, we will get the access on our web server, on our web page. Oh, sorry for that. On our web page on browser, we can access the FortiGate. Here it is. So it's ready. So log in it. So it's ready right now. So let's access on to web page. So now it's, I think it should be accessible right now. Let me just check the ping whether it's working or not. Ping our IP 8.1.90. No, it's not pinging. Even though it's not pinging right now, we need to check our connectivity, right? I think we think we I think we need to check our Hyper-V setting for that. Let me just check the Hyper-V whether I just select the network adapter or not. No, actually I don't even connected the network adapter. So how does it possible? Oh, I need to select the two, at least two. So now it should be working able. It should be accessible, right? Should be access, but again we need to restart. So here it is. It's again, let's log in. So again it's asking for this command. So let's again run this command. Execute disk scan 17. Yes. Yes. So oh, now again it's scanning the disk. Meanwhile it's scanning. I'll pause it again. So here it is. So it's again on a login screen. Now we enter it. So now we are in Fortigate. So now we try to access. Let's see. whether it's working or not. Here it is. So now we can access the web page. So here it is. So guys, welcome to FortiGate. So this is FortiGate web page. So now it's loading, it's web filtering. You can see web filtering is unavailable. So now I have only the 14-day free trial license. I don't have any license yet, but we can just configure and practice the features that we have in the FortiGate. This is the writer. This this all these features are available in the real FortiGate. This is VM, but we can use it as a it also has a VPN, IPsec, wizard, and all the configuration. We have monitoring tools available over there, and we have a FortiGate also provides some security feature like we have antivirus services, threats, and these all the features available. So the mainly the firewall is a firewall policy object. This is the policy. This is the policy we need to create. So hope you guys like the video. So in the next video we will do some policy configuration, how we can create the policy and how we can set the default routing IP for the for our network. So hope you guys see you